What you're about to witness is more than a simple repair. It is an astonishing journey to resurrect a forgotten power. Hidden deep within this rusted shell, a single-minded quest to breathe life into the lifeless. Every component holds a clue to its hidden potential. The secret to its revival lies buried within the decay. The first challenge: to diagnose the heart of the problem. A careful inspection of the alternator reveals a clue. Delving deeper into the machine's intricate systems, the battery, the source of its spark, is examined. Old wires are mended, restoring a lost connection. A final check before the first moment of truth. With determination, she prepares to awaken the beast. With a hopeful turn, a flicker of light returns. The machine breaks free from smutty prison. A triumphant ride, but the journey is far from over. This is not just a fix, it's a complete transformation. The fuel filter, a vital organ, is carefully inspected. Each part is meticulously returned to its place. A look of pride, knowing the real work is about to begin. The first step in this incredible rebirth, a thorough cleansing. Years of dirt and neglect are washed away. The machine is moved to the workshop, where its revival will unfold. The careful process of disassembly begins. Old, tired oil is drained, revealing hidden wear. A focused gaze, searching for every imperfection. The radiator is inspected, a key to the engine's health. The old engine, a canvas of rust and grease. Every screw tells a story of its past life. Modern tools assist in the deconstruction. Each panel is carefully removed, unveiling the machine's skeleton. The outer shell is set aside, its transformation yet to come. The process continues with methodical precision. Tightening and loosening, a rhythm of repair. Diving deeper into the mechanical heart. Unwavering focus is the key to this complex puzzle. Each component is handled with expert care. The work is demanding, requiring patience and strength. A heavy component is lifted, marking a milestone. The engine is now ready for its complete overhaul. From the ashes of rust, a new form will emerge. The exhaust system is prepared for its renewal. The scarred fender is meticulously coated. The collection of restored parts begins to grow. Every surface is wiped clean with intense focus. The painstaking process ensures a flawless finish. High-pressure water blasts away years of decay. The radiator is disassembled for a deep, internal cleaning. No part is left untouched in this purification ritual. The clean components are gathered, ready for the next stage. The fender receives its final, powerful rinse. The workshop is a scene of organized chaos and creation. Sparks fly as the old, rusted surface stripped away. The raw metal is unveiled, a blank canvas for renewal. The engine block receives the same meticulous attention. A vibrant red coat is applied, signaling a new beginning. Behind the mask, a creator focused on her vision. A coat of protective black transforms the exhaust parts. Each piece is carefully painted, ensuring total coverage. The parts hang, reborn in black and red, ready for reassembly. With the parts restored, a new frame must be forged. Sparks fly, a testament to the creative force at work. A quick inspection of the newly formed welds. The structure takes shape, piece by powerful piece. Her technique is precise, her focus unwavering. The grinder smooths the welds, perfecting the frame. Each connection must be flawless and strong. The art of welding is a dance of fire and metal. The completed frame is moved, ready for the next phase. It is placed on the workbench, a skeleton awaiting its heart. Meanwhile, the engine overhaul continues. A special tool is used for a delicate component, inspecting the part for any signs of wear. The reassembly begins with careful precision. Each piece is returned to its rightful place. A bolt is tightened, securing the engine's core. A final check of the assembled section. The brush clears away any remaining debris. Specialized tools ensure a perfect restoration. The engine must be stripped to its very core. An old lever is removed, a relic of its past. Working deep within the engine's greasy heart. Her hands, stained with oil, work with expert grace. Reaching the most difficult bolts requires ingenuity. The heavy engine block is lifted, a critical step. A helping hand works on the fuel pump. The cylinder head is removed, revealing the valves within. The pistons are carefully extracted from the block, grinding away the rust, unveiling the raw metal beneath. She meticulously cleans a small engine component. Even the smallest holes are cleared of debris. The grinding continues, a shower of creative sparks. A solvent bath dissolves years of grime. Deep cleaning every groove and surface. The process is repetitive but essential. Pistons and connecting rods are purified. All the engine's internal parts are laid out for cleaning. No detail is too small in this comprehensive restoration. Her dedication to perfection is evident in every action. The parts are now clean, organized, and ready for rebirth. The purified cylinder head is prepared for reassembly. The oil pan is ground down to a smooth, clean surface. A stiff brush cleans the intricate valve springs. The gearbox is cleansed of old, thick grease. Each small part of the ignition system is restored. Fresh lubricant is applied, ensuring smooth operation. The pistons are expertly guided back into the cylinders. A hammer gently sets a component into place. The camshaft is aligned with mechanical precision. The small gears of the transmission are carefully assembled. The main engine block begins to take shape once more. A helping hand lifts the heavy, rear-assembled block. The clutch assembly is installed with care. An impact wrench tightens the cylinder head bolts. The valves are set, her hands working with skilled precision. The cooling fan is attached, a crucial final piece. Preparing the air compressor for the final, transformative step. The engine is suspended, ready for its new coat of paint. The freshly painted engine is lowered, a masterpiece reborn. She looks upon the restored engine with satisfaction. Attention now turns to the machine's powerful chassis. The old, worn wheel tells a story of hard labor. A rusted bolt presents a stubborn challenge. With patience and strength, the bolts are loosened. Power tools make quick work of the disassembly. The undercarriage is revealed, complex and weathered. She uses all her leverage to break free, seize part. The methodical work on the chassis continues. A fluid line is carefully disconnected. Now, the reassembly of the transmission begins. A lever is adjusted with precise movements. A brush clears away decades of grime. The clean gearbox gleams, its red paint vibrant. She works tirelessly, even in the most awkward positions. The grinder smooths and prepares the metal surfaces. The long process requires immense stamina. Her persistence never wavers. One component at a time, the machine is reborn. The transformation is taking shape. A moment of rest, surveying her monumental progress. The transmission housing is cleaned with chemical precision. A careful examination of the large, complex part. The disassembled transmission awaits its restoration. The grinding wheel carefully cleans the gearbox housing. A metal shaft is polished to a smooth finish. She begins the intricate process of reassembly. Now, attention turns to the wheels. The old, rusted rim is stripped bare. The second wheel receives the same treatment. Her movements are efficient and practiced. Removing a stubborn part from the wheel hub. The preparation work is crucial for a perfect finish. The hub components are reassembled. A new identity is sprayed on, a vibrant, powerful green. The paint transforms the old metal. A steady hand ensures an even, beautiful coat. The transmission now looks brand new. The wheels are given a brilliant, fiery red finish. The red paint creates a stunning contrast. The restored wheel, a symbol of the machine's revival. The painting continues with the tire mounted. The lug nuts are tightened, securing the reborn wheel. The vibrant wheel is carefully mounted onto the axle. Working on the transmission's green housing. The finished wheel, a masterpiece of red and green. The time has come to reunite the engine with its body. She steadies the heavy engine as it's lowered. A perfect union of restored power and design. She focuses intently on connecting a small part. The engine is carefully guided into its final position. Her fingers work skillfully in the tight space. The final assembly is a complex, delicate dance. Each connection is critical to the final outcome. Tightening the bolts that will hold it all together. The machine is almost whole again. The patience and precision are extraordinary. The vision is so close to becoming a reality. Connecting the final wires and hoses. This is the culmination of immense effort. A final tightening of a crucial component. The final components are now being installed. Each part fits perfectly into the restored machine. The black intake pipe is carefully connected. The craftsmanship is evident in every detail. She works with a look of intense concentration. Two hands work in unison to fit a part. The bright red fender is attached, a bold statement. The tractor stands proud, a fusion of power and style. Making final adjustments at the front of the machine. Securing the rear assembly. A hand installs one of the last small pieces. The metal shines, reflecting her hard work. She inspects her work, ensuring everything is perfect. A final turn of the wrench. A whimsical touch, a mark of its creator's spirit. The playful sticker is placed on the headlight. The tractor now has a unique personality. The machine is filled with life-giving fluids. Coolant is poured, preparing the engine for its first run. Reborn, restored, and ready for a new journey. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Mechanic, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.